Let's turn this trash into treasure. Some colorful papers. Cut it into small circles. For this DIY, we need 45 bottle caps. After applying glue, paste all circles on the lid. Can you guess what I am going to make? If yes, do comment below, but no cheating. It's done. Let's move on the next step. We need a butter paper and a glue gun. Join all yellow pieces together and make a square of 9. This project is very satisfying. Do same thing with other pieces and make 5 squares. Let's move on step 3. For this we need waste cardboard. Cut out to square pieces and glue them together. Now cover with a black paper. Take another piece but bigger than first one. After this step, our stand is ready. Okay, now carefully join all square together in cubic game form. Are you still watching this video? If yes, do comment for a shout out. Our DIY is almost finished. Now I'm going to insert some fairy lights in the box. Flowers for decoration. Wow, our nightshade lamp is ready. Let's see how it looks in dark. Now it's your turn. Tell me how's it looking. Do you like the idea for the night lamp? Waiting for your beautiful comments. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.